If you have never made homemade blueberry jam before, then this is your sign to give it a try. Y'all, it is so easy. There's only 3 ingredients, and it's really hard to go back to store-bought once you've had it homemade. Let's make it. Okay, we're going to start with a whole lot of fresh blueberries. You can use frozen as well. Just make sure you thaw them out and let them drain off. Okay, so now I'm going to place all my blueberries into a large saucepan. I'm going to add in a little bit of sugar. You can cut back on that sugar if you want to, but not too much, okay? I wouldn't decrease it too much because then it's not going to set up as, firmly. Next, I'm going to add in some fresh lemon juice. Make sure that it is fresh lemon juice. Okay, we're going to just toss this around, get all those blueberries coated in the sugar. And of course, you can get this recipe at divascancook.com with a lot of tips and stuff, so go on over and check that out. Next, grab you a potato masher and just kind of mash these blueberries a little bit. I want them to kind of release some juice. I'm just going to mash them, not all of them, just a few of them. This will help the sugar get nice and syrupy, which is what we're going for, so mash it on up. And I don't even have the heat on yet. I'm just kind of stirring these up just until most of that sugar has kind of dissolved a little bit, just like that right there. Now just let it hang out for about 10 to 20 minutes, and when you come back, you will notice that it's really, really syrupy. A lot of that sugar has dissolved, so go ahead and just stir it on up, and now we can turn on our heat. All right, we're going to turn on our heat to like a medium simmer and just let it simmer ever so gently while stirring it. Okay, you want to make sure that all that sugar has dissolved. You don't want to have any little granules of sugar anywhere, not on the sides, not on your spatula, nowhere in sight. You want all of that sugar to dissolve. That way we won't get those little crystals inside of our homemade jam. We don't want that. So at this point, we're just going to bring it to a full rolling boil, and we are going to stir it constantly, okay? Because this stuff can burn so easily. So stir it constantly. It's going to thicken up beautifully for you. It's going to smell so good. I just love the color of this. It's so pretty. So once it reaches 220 on your candy thermometer, you are done, honey. Done, done, done. And if you don't have a thermometer, I would put other ways that you can check for doneness on my website, okay? All right, that is beautiful. It's so glistening. Oh, I love it. I love me a homemade fruit jam. It's just, yes, everything. Okay, so now we're going to place this into our sterilized jar. You can use a funnel because I always make a mess when I'm doing this. It's very hot, so be careful, okay? Place this into your jar. You want to leave a little bit of space up top, all right? Just a little bit of space. And you can actually eat it right now. It'll be very, very loose, but I mean, it's good to go. You can eat it if you want to. But here's the texture, like, see, it's kind of thick, but I like it thicker. So I'm going to go ahead and place my little lid on, let it come to room temperature, and then I'm going to chill it overnight in the fridge. And then the next day, oh, it's so thick and creamy and like beautiful, beautiful blueberry jam. Look at the texture, y'all. Look at that. Yep. That's the way I like it. If you make this, let me know how you like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and all that good stuff. Later.